Next section, learning disabilities. Overview. Learning disability is a classification that includes several areas of functioning in which a person has difficulty learning in typical manner, usually caused by an unknown factors or known factors. Learning disorder and learning difficulty are often used interchangeably. They differ in many ways. Disorder refers to significant learning problem in an academic area. These problems, however, are not enough to warrant an official diagnosis. Learning disability, on the other hand, is an official clinical diagnosis whereby the individual meets certain criteria as determined by professional, psychologist, pediatrician, etc. The difference is in degree, frequency and intensity of reported symptoms and problems, and thus the two should not be confused when the term learning disorder is used. It describes a group of disorders characterized by inadequate development of specific academic, language and speech skills. A learning disability is not a problem with intelligence or motivation. Learning disability or learning disorders are an umbrella term for wide variety of learning problems. Can you define learning disabilities? Learning disabilities have been defined as any of various conditions such as dyslexia or dysgraphia that interfere with an individual's ability to learn and so result in impaired functioning in language, reasoning, or academic skills such as reading, writing and mathematics, and that are thought to be caused by difficulties in processing and integrating information, called also learning difference. A learning disability is not a problem with intelligence or motivation. Preschool signs and symptoms of learning disabilities. First symptom, problems pronouncing words. Second, trouble finding the right words. 3. Difficulty rhyming. 4. Trouble learning the alphabet, numbers, colors, shapes, day of the week. 5. Difficulty following directions or learning routes. 5. Difficulty controlling crayons, pencils and scissors or coloring within the lines. 6. Trouble with buttons, zips, snaps, learning to tie shoes. Age 5 to 9, signs and symptoms of learning disabilities. First, trouble learning, the connection between letters and sounds. Second, unable to blend sounds to make words. 3. Confuse basic words when reading. 4. Consistently misspells words and makes frequent reading errors. 5. Trouble learning basic maths concepts. 6. Difficulty telling time, remembering sequences. 7. Slow to learn new skills. Struggle with reading, comprehension, spelling or writing. Age 10 to 13, signs and symptoms of learning disabilities. 1. Difficulty with reading comprehension or math skills. 2. Trouble with open-ended test questions and word problems. 3. Dislikes reading, writing, avoid reading aloud. 4. Spells the same word differently in a single document. 5. Poor organizational skill, bedroom, homework, desk is messy and disorganized. 6. Trouble following classroom discussion and expressing thought aloud. 7. Poor handwriting. Types of learning disabilities. First type, learning disability in reading, dyslexia. Second, learning disabilities in maths, dyscalculator. 3. Learning disabilities in writing, dysgraphia. 4. Learning disabilities in motor skills, dyspraxia. 5. Learning disabilities in language, aphasia. Other disorders that make learning difficult. 1. Auditory processing disorder. 2. Non-verbal learning disabilities. 3. Visual perceptual and visual motor defect. 4. Learning related disorders. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.